Good, wonderful morning, everybody. We're at the duck park. It's a nice close one with no trees, well, a few trees. And look at him go, he's so happy. I thought they would want to go have a bit of freedom today. They're playing and mucking around at home, so I thought, well, I've got no plans for today. So we'll just come down here and have a bit of off-leash time. Looks like they're putting in a path going in on the side of the sandstone. It's taken them a long time to do that, to work on it. But I guess they're limited by materials. So if they can't get the materials, and we've had a lot of floods, so they'll be working on a lot of the roads and all that sort of thing, all the repairs. They reckon that it's about was it $100 million worth of road repairs due to the flooding that they've got to do. That's just roads. So some of them, it's because that they're really planning to work on them anyway. Like Toowoomba Cecil Plains Road, which goes out west. We've been on it before. It's very rough, and so we've been on that one. And they were doing roadworks on it when we had flooding a couple of months ago, and of course that's back to ground, point zero again, because they have to rip up all the stuff that they put down. So they have to start again on that one. But the whole road, it needs to be redone, and that was the plan. They were starting at Cecil Plains and working towards Toowoomba, because the Toowoomba section is the better condition. It's the Cecil Plains section because of all the road trains on it. Oh, the happy doggies, happy bumpers. So as you get to Toowoomba, they can't have road trains, so they have to break them up. You're about 2/3 of the way in. So then about 20 minutes of Toowoomba, there's no more road trains allowed. So there's a lot of breakage yards around, so that they can split the trucks and take one trailer in at a time. Goodness. Oh, Takani. And I bought some new boots. Look at them. Nice and shiny. So I thought I'd wear them in today. My last couple of pairs have fallen apart. She says, "Oh, my daddy." I'm keeping an eye on him. Keep an eye on my brother too. He says, what's he up to over there? I've got to watch him. Looks like there's a water or storage pipe right through the yard. Sewage, I'd say. Ah, it's a happy boy. Running around. A happy girl. And you might notice that she's got something pink attached to her. Yep, she got a new tracker. This one is expensive, so she better not lose it. But it's supposed to be reliable. Supposed to be. So you can get a pay a monthly fee on this. I just bought it outright. See somebody piddled there. Yep. And somebody piddled here. Well, see you later, everyone. Have a fantastic day. I'll try and make these guys have a fantastic day too. That's my job. Keep them happy.